If you're locked out of a ZKTeco device and need to reset the admin password, the method depends on the exact model and whether the device is cloud connected. First, understand this clearly. Most ZKTeco devices do not allow a simple admin password reset without authorization. This is a security feature, not a glitch. If your device uses ZKTeco cloud software like ZK BioTime or ZK Biosecurity, log in to the admin dashboard on the computer. Go to the device list, select the locked device, and look for the option to reset or re-enroll administrators. In many cases, you can push a new admin profile directly from the software. If the device is standalone and not connected to software, check the model number on the back. Some older ZKTeco models allow a factory reset using a master reset code provided by ZKTeco support. This code is generated using the device serial number and current date, so it cannot be guessed or reused. To request the reset code, contact ZKTeco support or the authorized distributor where the device was purchased. You'll usually need to provide proof of ownership, the serial number, and sometimes photos of the device. If ZKTeco provides the reset code, enter it on the device's admin login screen when prompted. This will reset the admin credentials or allow you to create a new admin account. If no reset code is available, the only remaining option is a full factory reset, which wipes all users, fingerprints, faces, logs, and settings. Factory reset methods vary by model and may also require ZKTeco authorization. Quick recap: cloud-connected devices can reset through software. Standalone devices need a ZKTeco-generated reset code, and factory reset is the last resort. Like and subscribe if I helped you.